Today's episode shows the draft to completion process of this outfit. This pattern has already been drafted and the video is linked above. The pattern will be altered by removing the paper extensions as demonstrated. The side pieces will be cut at the half length and arranged back in position. We will cut the back at the chest line. No armhole is required for this style. Create a sweetheart neckline on the center front, curving towards the bust span line. Determine which part of the fabric stretches more, then place the fabric on fold in that direction. Add 0.5 inches at the top of the pattern. Keep the center on fold, no tightening is required like the pattern. Place 0.5 inch on the dart line. Measure the width of the pattern's hem and place the same measurement on the dress length. Connect the points, then cut out. Place the side front on the folded fabric again. Add 1.5 inches seam allowance at the side, half an inch in other areas and cut out. For the side back, also add 1.5 inches seam allowance at the side, half an inch on other areas. Then notch the inseam for easy identification. This is the center back. Add 1 inch for zipper allowance and half inch on other areas. Connect the lines. Proceed to cut out. Notch the zipper allowance point. Here are the center front, side back and center back pieces displayed. Measure the remaining length of the missing side and the width of both the side back and front, which gives us 13 inches. Using the formula for a 180-degree flare, calculate the radius. For more detailed explanation, check the linked video. Now we have 38 inches in total. Place the length on a bias fold and mark a radius of 12 inches. Mark also the length of the flare, then proceed to cut out. Place the flare on another flat fabric to use as a template and cut the second flare. The off-shoulder drape fabric measures 26 by 16 inches and you need 2 pieces. Then we move over to the sewing machine. The center back, side front and one part of the center front have been joined. The flare has been gathered and attached to the waist and the linings are added as well. The spaghetti straps measure 11 by 3 inches and have been turned inside out. Here are the front and back side of the lining pieces joined. Now join the main fabric with a seam allowance of 1 inch. Fold and secure the edges of the side in a triangle shape. Lay the pieces together and top stitch the waistline. Join the flare to the waistline, gathering as you sew along. I'll be turning the hem with crinoline. For more details on attaching crinoline, check the clip linked in the description box. We are to bend the seam allowance onto the crinoline and top stitch as shown. Finally, fold the crinoline onto the fabric and top stitch along the edge. Place the right sides of the side front and center front together. Sew by half an inch and stop before the waistline. Place the linings right side together and sew. Stopping at the end of the shorter lining. Notch and trim the seam allowance of both the lining and main fabric. Now take a look at how the right and wrong sides appear. Complete the joining of the center front and side front down to the hem, starting from the stitch stop point. On reaching the hem, leave some space to fold it. On the wrong side, see how it looks. Next, join the center back to the side back, starting with the main fabrics first. Then join the center back facing to the side back lining. When you are done doing this, put everything together and join it down to the hem. Here are the center back, side back, front panels and the other back pieces. You are to overlock and fold the hem. Attach the straps to the main fabric only. Notice the positioning and placement. Connect the straps to the back, ensuring they do not twist. Position them right after the dart line and repeat the same process on the other side. We are to use the facing to turn the neckline by placing right sides together. Sew by ½ inch, keeping the bulk of the fabric wrapped in between. Adjust and pull for ease as you sew along from one center back to the other. Notch after sewing, then turn inside out. Next, place the center back together to sew the zipper allowance. Once again, overlock and fold the hem. Here's how the dress is coming together. Now the off-shoulder drape fabric has been sewn with organza as the lining and turned inside out. I have gone ahead to iron the dress. Now place the right side of the flowery fabric on the wrong side of the dress, starting from the sweetheart curve and stopping before the strap. Take the other end of the fabric to the back, beginning from the center back up to the back strap. Repeat the same process on the other side and observe how it looks. Showing here is how the hem has been folded to cover the joining for a neater finish. Go ahead to insert your zipper. These colorful buttons will be attached to add a pop of color to the dress, along with appliques at the side waist. And with that, the project is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.